Preprint, postprint, difference between preprint print and postprint, research metrics, impact factor, advantage, disadvantage, edge index, advantage, disadvantage, I-10 index, advantage, disadvantage. Preprint. Preprint is a research paper shared before peer review. Characteristics of preprint are not yet reviewed, early sharing, can receive community feedback. Advantage: faster dissemination, early feedback establishes priority of discovery. Disadvantage: findings are not yet validated by peer review. Postprint definition: postprint is the author accepted manuscript after peer review but before the publisher's final formatting. Characteristics: peer review accepted by the journal and may be deposited in repositories depending on journal policies. Difference between preprint and postprint. Preprint: before peer review, not accepted, early version. Postprint: after peer review, accepted manuscript, revised version before final publication. Research metrics. Research metrics help to measure the influence and impact factor of research. Impact factor IF. The impact factor measures the average number of citations received by articles published in a journal over a specific period, commonly 2 years. Or, in simple words, an impact factor shows how influential a journal is based on citations. Importance: measures journal reputation, helps authors choose journals, indicates research influence. Advantage: easy comparison between journals and widely recognized. Limitations: it evaluates journals, not individual researchers, and varies across different disciplines. Edge index. Edge index measures both productivity and citation impact of a research. Both productivity and citation impact of a researcher. A researcher has edge index of edge if edge papers have each received at least edge citations. Example: if a researcher has 10 papers and 6 papers each have at least 6 citations, then the edge index is equal to 6. Advantage: it measures both quantity and quality and reduces the effect of one highly cited paper. Limitations: it can disadvantage early career researchers and does not account for authorship or author's contribution. I-10 index. I-10 index counts the number of publications that have received at least 10 citations. It is developed by Google Scholar. Example: if a researcher has 15 papers and 9 papers have at least 10 citations, the I-10 index is equal to 9. Advantage: very easy to calculate, simple indicator of research impact. Advantage: very easy to calculate and simple indicator of research impact. Limitations: used mainly by Google Scholar and less widely adopted than H-index.